Welcome to Tipsverse. So if you're watching this video, that means you want to learn how to write a poem that rhymes well enough to enchant your readers. Don't think that poem writing is tough. The main trick of writing a rhyming poem is to find the rhyming words of the last word of a sentence. So if you have a good command over the vocabulary, you can write any poem at ease. Just practice some vocabulary and you're good to go. Let me show you how you can write an impromptu poem. And the basic thing, you got to start somewhere. And if you're unable to think where to start, just take a random situation. For example, I have no money in my wallet. Now let's focus on the last word. What is it? It's wallet. Let me find the rhyming words. Let me brainstorm. Little packet, jacket, locket. Now we'll try to rhyme it with jacket. Say for example, I have no jacket. Let's write neither do I have a coat nor a jacket. See, wallet, jacket. I have no money in my wallet, neither do I have a coat nor a jacket. Now let's extend this. Waiting for someone to stop by. Now you find the rhyming words for by. It will be try, shy, lie. That's all I can find in my head. Now let's rhyme it by the word shy. I am shy, something. I can't ask for any help as I am too shy. Yes. See, it's matching. Now let's further extend this paragraph and we can get the mood of the structure. Suddenly, a good man bought me some food. Now let's rhyme the last word, this food. So as of now I can think of two words. It's mood and good. Now let's rhyme it with mood. So I'm in a good mood. So how can I write in a better way? So I felt ecstatic and it changed my mood. My mood. It's perfect. Suddenly a good man bought me some food and I felt ecstatic and it changed my mood. That's it. We have written an impromptu poem. Now let's see what you have written. I have no money in my wallet, neither do I have a coat nor a jacket. Waiting for someone to stop by, I can't ask for help as I'm too shy. Suddenly, a good man bought me some food. I felt ecstatic as it changed my mood. Yes, now let's focus on important tips related to rhyming word. As you can see from the slide, the rhyming sound is very important. See, the rhyming words may have letters not having the same ending as the main word. And let me explain you by the help of this example. Here in this slide, I've given some words and their corresponding rhyming words. See the rhyming words of the first four words, that is sad, mundane, shopaholic, packet. The ending letters of their rhyming words are matching with the ending letters of the main word. For example, sad, the rhyme word is bad. What's the common ending letter in both these words? That is AD. Similarly, for mundane and insane, what's it? It's ANE. Now, consider the last three words in the slide. That is the words dice, hard, and tire. Here, the rhyming word of dice, that is eyes, sounds the same as the main word, but the ending letters of the rhyming word are different than the ending letters of the main word. Now, this is an exception compared to the previous rule. Now, for the last two words, that is hard and tire. The rhyming word for hard is far. Now if you compare these two rhyming words, hard and far, there are no common ending letters, and the same goes to the word tire and liar. There are no common ending letters, but they are rhyming well with each other. And that's the way you rhyme the words. Just, I can say, you hone your vocabulary skills and you are good to go, and you can write any rhyming poem at ease if you have a strong command over vocabulary. Now, that's it in this video on how to write a rhyming poem. And if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. See you in the next video. Cheers.